Welcome to another Surfboards.com product video. Today we're going to take a quick look at soft racks, a great board transportation solution when your vehicle can't accommodate a standard rack pad. This video will show you what a soft rack is and how easy they are to install. Today we are using the Block Surf Wrap Rack Single. First, unwrap your racks and lay them across the top of your car with the doors open. Make sure the pad is oriented in the upright position. You'll need to squeeze the buckle in order to feed the strap through. This brand has rubber protectors to stop you from scratching your car. Feed the strap through the buckle on the inside of the car. Secure it with one hand and pull it tight with the other. Make sure your top straps are unfolded and place your surfboard on top of the racks. Repeat the tightening process with the straps on top of your board. Be careful not to over-tighten. And that's it, your board is secure. Soft racks are a great affordable way to safely move your boards without permanently altering your car. Subscribe to our channel and check out our full rack and rack pad selection at Surfboards.com.